Hi, I'm Jer Buenafe.
I'm Aina Buenafe.
We are the owners of Yebo Green.
We have an ongoing business na ang kinikater namin is puro bento boxes lang. Normally, ang mga customer namin nasa mga government offices or mga commercial offices. That time, okay naman kami, like usual, normal day, busy day kasi December na noon. And then one time, may nag-approach sa amin, nag-chat siya sa amin na head siya ng parang call center. Nagtatanong siya kung kaya namin mag-food cart. At that time, hindi pa kami nag-food cart. Pero parang months before, plinase na sa akin ni God talaga na mag-e-events ako. And I had a heart for that and na-excite ako. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano masisimulan yung pag-e-events ko. Kailangan na daw agad nila like a week after. Parang 1 week lang yung binigay nila sa amin na palugit para makater namin sila. Which is parang for me, hindi ko kaya. Gusto ko na agad sabihin na hindi. Kasi December yon, napaka-imposible na makahanap pa ako ng gagawa ng food cart na ibibigay sa akin ng less than a week. Kasi syempre less than a week, kailangan ko pang i-design yon. Kailangan ko pang i-make sure na okay siya, matibay siya at ma-accommodate yung mga gamit namin. But then God told me, why don't you say yes? So, sabi ko, hala, ganda, imposible na yun. Pero sabing, go, mag-yes ka lang. So, okay, sige, yes, kahit no idea pa ako kung paano ko siya gagawin. Nag-yes ako. That the same night, by God's grace, na-capture ko lahat ng kailangan ko. Nakakuha agad ako ng gagawa ng rush na food cart na makukuha ko agad in 3 days. 3 food cart yun. Nakapag-secure agad kami ng boxes ng mga kailangan namin na supplies. More than enough. Tapos we went there confident na everything will be smooth. We declared God's word all the way na magiging successful lahat mula delivery. We kept on declaring kasi this is an unfamiliar territory na wala kaming preparation and we were able to successfully complete the event. And then after completing the event, a lot of inquiries started coming in. And then we were able to complete like 3 or 4 events pa for December with big companies like SM Prime Holdings, mga China Bank, ganun, mga with big companies, 300 packs, 500 packs. Later, siguro mga bandang March, may nag-contact sa amin na another company na looking sila for 2,800 packs serving. Technically, magiging siya, 4,000 or 5,000 plus kasi dalawang menu yung kinuha nila na serving ng food cart. And of course, kahit na parang coming from ang max namin is 300, naging 5,000 na yung isa-serve namin. It was a challenge for us, pero pinush pa din namin, bringing yun nga yung confidence ni God. And we were able to complete then yung event na yun. Yun yung breakthrough namin na kung hindi kami nag-obey dun sa una pa lang na nag-inquire sa amin at sa sumunod-sumunod pa, hindi namin ma-handle yung 5,000 packs dun sa food cart na yun. It gave me confidence na kaya ko pala kahit unfamiliar territory kasi dito nga ako tinawag ni Lord. And now, currently, we have consistent clients na rin sa catering na we're able to do. And we are expecting for more kasi currently, may mga naka-line up pa silang concerts na kami din yung kukunin na Korean clients din. Dahil nag-yes kami, it is already His battle. It is already His fight.
Ano pa ba yung verse na sinasabi na walk by faith, not by sight? Sa ganong verse pa lang, yun lang yung pinangahawakan namin na kahit hindi mo pa nakikita ngayon, pero sa spirit, mind-claim mo na at mind-claim. Kasi opportunities nasa paligid lang eh.
Talk with God all the time. Treat Him as if, like, hindi man as if, kasi totoo naman, katabi mo siya. And He's there. And He's willing to, He wants to speak to you. He wants you to hear Him. So yung pakikipag-usap sa Kanya doesn't end with your devotional na 1 hour or 2 hour devotionals. It's actually throughout the day. Na kahit na may busy ka sa work mo, tas may na-encounter kang scenario, kaya mo agad, God, anong gagawin natin? Parang yung consistent communication with the Lord, kasi nga you know His voice. Alam mo na yung instruction and you can be in that assurance na yung instruction is from God.